Hello, welcome RM Tech Network consultants. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Python networking. I will showcase a serious captivating video that will eliminate key concepts and technicals in a network programming. This is not just about learning to code, it is about cultivating essential skills that will empower you in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Remember, with these remarkable skills might be linked to a university degrees, anyone with passion and dedication can master them. So let's dive in and discover how Python can be your gateway to unlocking endless possibilities in networking. To start in our configuration, first we will make the configuration on the router and the next and the Ubuntu. So first start all of them. Okay, first make stop this one, right click, edit config, make DHCP, make uncomment auto internet 0 and auto, and then click save, and then right click start. Okay, come to the router one, right click console. Okay, enable config interface fast ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, an IP address is a DHCP. Okay, and enable config hostname router 1, enable password is a admin. Okay, username admin, sorry, username admin and password is a admin. Okay, then line vt admin. Okay, line vty04 login local transport input all, then click end, and then show IP interface brief. Okay, show IP interface. Okay, it's not received yet the IP address, it takes a very small time. Show IP interface brief. Okay, show IP interface brief. Now it receives an IP address in DHCP, no loopback yet, so debug telnet. The telnet now is on. I am going to test a telnet 192.168.168.122.65. Sorry, telnet 192.168.122.65 dot 45. Now something is happening. Telnet, and the username is admin, and the password was admin. Now we are in the router, and the password, enable password, is admin. Okay, in the next step, now we finish for the configuration, giving the IP address for the as a DHCP in the router, and also we make the configuration for a telnet. In the next step, we will make the configuration Ubuntu Docker. Right click, console. Okay, the first step, I will ping the ping google.com. Yes, it can ping the google.com. Good. In the next step, in the next step, we will make update up to get update up to get update. Okay, now reading package list is done. In the last step, we will install up to get install Python. Yes. Okay, good. Now I will check the version of Python. The version of Python is 2.7.12 default. Okay, good. In the next step, we'll write nano Python dot router one, not yeah, router one script one. Then you will go in the Chrome browser or Firefox. Okay, and then you will write telnet Python, and then click enter. Okay, then we will copy and come to the Ubuntu and then paste. Good. Okay, this one is in our local host router IP address. In router 1 was 45.192.168.122.45, and then we will enter here, enter your telnet username. Okay, and then we will get past the password, the tn telnet telnet host tn read until be login, and then writing code password, and then we will enter in here read for username. username, and then tn write username code, and then if password, turn radio until password. Okay, scroll down. Okay, delete this one is a Linux command. Come in this one, highlight, control K, control U, control U, control U, control U. Okay, come in here, and then we will delete and then enable. Scroll down, username, password, admin in the router, enter web password. This one is a config T. Scroll down, interface loop 0. Scroll down, IP address 1.1.1.1 and subnet 255.255.255.255. Okay, scroll down, interface loop 1 and IP address 2.2.2.2 and subnet mask 255.255.255.255. Scroll down, router OSPF 1. Okay, scroll down, control U. Okay, network 0.0.0.0 and the subnet mask 255.255.255. Okay, area 0. Okay, exit, and the last step is a end. Good. Okay, control X, yes, click Y and then enter. Okay, okay, in the next step I will open the router. Something new is happening here. Okay, this one is on our router. Okay, Python and Python script. It asks in our username, and our username was admin. Okay, and the password was admin. Something new is happening here. You see, yeah, the interconfiguration command IP address is 1.1.1, the IP address 2.2.2, router OSPF. Okay, okay, show, come into router, show IP, interface, brief. You see, there is a loopback 0 dot one dot one dot one dot one, and yes, manual, and loop back 1 2.2.2 way show run interface loopback 0. You see IP address loopback 0 is IP address dot one dot one dot one. Okay, show run interface loopback 1, and also is 2.2.2.2.2. In our last step, I am going to ping from Ubuntu to router. If they can ping, okay, come to the Ubuntu and ping the IP address of this router. The IP address of router is 192.168.1.22.45. Okay, come to the Ubuntu and ping 192.168.122.45. It means on Ubuntu can ping into router 1. Okay, and come to the router and ping the IP address of Ubuntu is 122.152. Ping 192.168.122.152. It means the success rate is 100%. So please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.